In this video you can see how to create group in Instagram to chat at a time with everyone in a group. If this is the first time to my channel and you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon to get updates when we add new videos. So let's get started with the video. Once we open Instagram app, we need to click this direct message icon. And again, we need to click this plus icon in the top. On this screen, we can type the name of our Instagram followers or select from this list of followers to add in our Instagram group. Once we are done selecting members for the group, we need to click Create Group Chat button that's visible on the screen. In the group name field, we can type and give a name for the group. And done naming the group on Instagram. Hereafter, all the members in the group can message and chat within the group like this. With this, we have come to the end of this video tutorial. Please subscribe and click the bell icon to get updates when we add new videos.